How to streamline month-end close with SuiteFlow. Do you hate the admin that comes with month-end? Then you'll love this guide. NetSuite SuiteFlow is designed to automate workflows, reduce manual errors, and save you valuable time during month-end close. When you need to verify expenses, reconcile accounts payable and receivable, adjust journal entries, and ensure that all financial transactions are accurately accounted for. Any errors that pop up during the process can threaten the integrity of your data and even lead to compliance issues. Here's how to use SuiteFlow to ensure your month-end closure is error-free and easy. Start by enabling SuiteFlow as part of your NetSuite subscription plan. To do this, go to Setup, Company, Enable Features. Under the SuiteCloud tab, check the box for SuiteFlow. When that's done, you'll need to assign permissions under the Manage Roles tab in the Setup menu. This ensures that the users who create and manage workflows have the necessary permissions. Then, assess your existing closing processes. This will help you identify bottlenecks and areas for improvement. Look for the tasks that cause delays, errors, and require a lot of manual effort. Next, choose which processes and NetSuite workflows you want to automate with SuiteFlow. Because the software automates a number of features, start with the task identified as the one that costs the most time or leads to the most errors, like verifying expenses or cross-checking journal entries. Now comes the fun part. Design your custom SuiteFlow workflows. Tailor your workflows in the Workflow Manager to automate your chosen tasks, to ensure that each step in the month-end close process is efficient. After this, you must test your workflows. Run simulations to see how your workflows perform in a real scenario. Then make adjustments to ensure that it meets your needs. And finally, you deploy your workflows. Once you're satisfied with the testing, deploy the workflows for regular use. And just like that, you can take the stress out of month-end and ensure accuracy, efficiency, and compliance. Of course, you can also reach out to NetSuite certified partners like Fusion CPA to manage your NetSuite for you and help with any troubleshooting. Start benefiting from a partnership with NetSuite certified experts by scheduling a discovery call today.